Guys, if you have already content monetization, maximize your earning on potential income by posting which one is higher earning. You need to focus on it. So guys, check in the content monetization dashboard. Sister have more earning on picture post. So text post only 0.08, stories 0.07, and reels 0.01, videos 0.01. But it depends on the views, guys. If you have more videos, it means more earning to come. But if you have less views, we need to focus which one we have higher earnings. So for example, sister have higher earning is in the picture post. So instead, guys, every day you are posting text post, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, good night, because we are engaging on that post. So why we are not posting picture, which is good morning picture, good afternoon picture, and good evening picture? So in that case, we are engaging also at the same time on that picture. At the same time, it will generate income. So we need to focus on those posts that we are earning a lot or earning more. So that's only suggestion, guys. So guys, if you like my videos, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.